The U.S. Army used telegraphic communication extensively in World War I to communicate across the battlefield and beyond. Signal Corps soldiers used this Model 1914 Signal Service Buzzer to send telegraphic messages in Morse code over long distances. Some soldiers referred to the machine as the trench telegraph. The small telegraph key on the top right of the cover enabled the unit to be pressed while the cover was closed. See this buzzer on display in the Nation Overseas Gallery and learn more about Army communication innovations during World War I. And in honor of Morse Code Day, we have this to say.
Now wait, before you go, make sure to follow and subscribe, and if you can, come visit.